What's up, guys? Oh shit. Well, I'm in my work uniform. I forgot I had this on. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do a pre-market analysis and then just give some of my thoughts on trading in general, because it's still very early in my journey and I like information I can relate to relating to trading. Okay, so anyway, let's start the analysis. So we have clear bullish structure here on the daily time frame, right? This is a high we just broke, so this will be essentially right here our hard low. Let's go ahead and actually label that hard low. Price could come anywhere right here above this, but as long as it doesn't break, we're bullish. Also being that we did just create a break of structure to the upside. So it looks like price has pulled back some and may be starting to head up a little more. We are at all-time highs though. Okay, so now we could look at this on the 4-hour. I want this black. Solid. It's a solid support level. Now, as we can see, we had this pullback after making this new all-time high, and then we came back into demand. I'll mark it up for you if you don't know how to mark up supply and demand. There's plenty of videos out there to show you how. Boom, we came back, tapped into demand, and as you can see, rejected really well. Came back, could not push back into it, actually rejected again, then started pushing up. So coming into today, to be honest, if we could hold kind of above yesterday's close, keep this bullish structure, I'm taking buys, you know what I mean? We could look this on the 15. See, clearly we have bullish structure here, but I will like to note that, so after we had this kind of push up, we came down and started creating bearish structure. Now we just had a break. So, and this is on the 15. So for this to remain kind of bearish, oh, well, we did just make another. Yeah. So right now this is, no, I wouldn't consider this solid structure yet. Okay, maybe now if we push past this high, I would consider this a low, these wicks right here. Because the only reason I wouldn't consider this, I mean, maybe, kind of, sort of, right? Because we broke out past this kind of candle right here. That wasn't even a good line. But, yeah, so this is the 15, I mean, like I said, I would basically be looking for price to bounce off some supports today, so we could take buys and target highs. However, if we start to trade bullish, then we could, bearish, I'm sorry. If we start to trade bearish, which I kind of don't see, I mean, maybe you could consider this kind of a area of supply that we're tapping in. We could come off of this level and not break these highs and then push down even further, potentially back into demand. So, and we could technically still break this low, continue the downtrend, and then pop back up and still be in a overall bullish market structure on the daily or something like that. But that's all I have. Basically, we just gotta wait and see. This is kind of the range we're in. I'll be looking to take profits definitely around the highs of here. If you do try to trade into this supply, going into the supply, we do have the higher time frame and confluence though to say go ahead with the buys. As well, we had a break of high plus a pullback here, and if we could see this candle close engulfing, that could definitely be kind of the catalyst, and then we can see this demand that is formed here kind of hold, maybe potentially, or if we break it, then we could, like I said, see price trade back down to this level. Maybe 38.5 is where you look to secure some profit, and then definitely taking out your full position at demand once we reach that level again, and maybe, or just look to like put a stop loss in profit, something to manage your risk accordingly, or just secure profit rather, because once your trade goes into profit, it's not a risk anymore unless you allow it to become a risk again. That's kind of hard truth, you know. Sometimes you could be up in a trade and you allow it to go red when it was all green. You got signals, candlestick formations to tell you, you know what, momentum is slowing down. This move might be exhausted. It's probably going to pull back. I could look for re-entry, or you know what, if we hit our overall target goal, so what, I'm taking profit. You can never be mad with profit. You're definitely going to be pissed when you take a loss. That being said, if you liked this video, leave a like, hit the subscribe, hit your notification bell for when I post more. I'll try to be consistent. I just started this YouTube very recently, a couple months now, maybe a month ago even, if even a month and a half, I don't know, something like that. But I'm not stopping trading, and this helps me as well, just kind of like journaling. And yeah, like I said, or maybe I didn't say it, but if you have any questions, do leave them in the comments. I don't mind answering questions. I'm not somebody who's like out of reach. I still have a day job. That being said, hope everybody has a great day. Good luck trading. Let's make some money.